Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you about our 67 to 68 Camaro Firebird gas tank metal filler neck cover. If you still have yours, it probably looks a little something like this. Rusted, all beat up. A lot of people's are just missing altogether. Here is a nice new matte black replacement for it. These are manufactured and powder coated here in North Texas. Here you can see them side by side. And now we're going to show you the super easy install. If you are missing yours, it probably looks a little something like this. The 67 and 68 Camaros and Firebirds did have these covers from the factory, so you will already have these slots, so there's no cutting required on the car. Here is the nice fancy new cover, and it is ready for install. You will line up these tabs with the factory slots. Insert the tabs here and press it into place. Once you get the cover installed, you want to take the brand new screw that we provide you with and insert it in the factory hole. Like I said, this is a factory fit with no cutting or drilling required on the car. Then you just want to tighten the screw down. Here is a view from the side angle. Like I said, you want to line up the tabs with the slots and press it into place. Once the cover is installed, you just insert your screw and tighten it down. This install was done on a 67 Firebird, and here it is installed on a 68 Camaro. All right, y'all, that is it for today. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Like, comment, and share the video with your friends. Also, if there's any videos that y'all would like to see, leave them down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and y'all have a great day.